Meet Connecteam Training. Shorten the costly onboarding process and minimize the time it takes to gain a fully operational team member. Boost your team's professionalism with the learning platform that allows to build, distribute, and track employee onboarding, training, and skill development, so you can be sure everyone's acing it. Custom-made courses.
Create professional training courses in seconds. Just enter what the course should be about, and our AI will generate a structured course you can customize and share with your team.
Build interactive courses and training material that combine videos, audio, presentations, text, or other pre-made content. You also have the ability to go ahead and add existing courses since Connecteam is SCORM compliant. Reach all employees. Create mobile-first content that is suitable and accessible to your non-desk workforce at their own time and pace. Analyze and track learning progress. Know who viewed, completed, and understood the material, and combine interactive quizzes to test knowledge. Connecteam.